Hello everyone, today we are going to do a quick screencast as to how to register and log in using Deals and Steals consignment sale page. First thing we're going to do is go to Deals and Steals Consignment.com, and it's going to pull up the home page, and we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and we're going to click on Consigner and Volunteer Registration. If you have never consigned before, you're going to create a user account. If you've consigned before using My Consignment Manager for a different sale, you're going to register here. And if you already have registered for the Deals and Steals consignment sale, you're just going to click Log In. Once you click Log In, you're going to enter your user ID and your password, and then once again, log in. And we want to enter our items. So we're going to click on Enter Items. And the first item we're going to enter is boys' clothes. So we're going to scroll through and find boys' clothing right here. And we're going to enter our size, which is 6 to 12 months. And you want to be as descriptive as possible, just in case the tag gets separated from the item, so that tag can be reunited with that item. So we want to be very descriptive. We're going to say this is Baby Gap, and it's a long sleeve onesie. It says Hugs on the front, and it's gray and white. All right, and we want to price this at $3, and we will discount it, but we will not donate it. So we'll click the discount box, and we will leave donate unchecked, and then we'll add our item. Our next item we'll add are a pair of women's shoes. So we're going to scroll through and look for women's shoes. There. And we're going to add our size, which is size 10. Here. And again, being as descriptive as we can, we're going to say that these are Lauren Conrad brand. And they are taupe in color, and they're strapped with zipper. And then we're going to price our item at $8, and we will not discount and we will not donate, so we'll leave both of those boxes unchecked. All right, so we're going to add that item as well. All right, and then we want to print our tags, so we're going to go up here to Print Tags. And we had already entered 6 items previously, so we have a total of 8 items here. So we want to generate our tags. We'll generate all of them, a total of 8. And you want to print in multiples of 8 because you want to maximize the space on your cardstock. 8 tags is the number of tags that will print on one sheet of cardstock. So we're going to generate our tags. Once we've clicked all of the tags we want to generate, and it says we have selected 8 tags to print. Do we want to continue? We're going to say OK. And it'll pull up a PDF in the bottom left-hand corner. And on that cardstock that's either been delivered to you or that you've picked up, you're going to print these tags. Your tags will pop up. It will have a barcode that is unique to your seller number. And it will also have the information that you have entered for those tags. Once you do that, you'll want to print these tags on your cardstock. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us or post below, and we'll be happy to answer those questions as soon as possible. Thank you.